Welcome to Japanese Auto Repair's How-To Series. Today we're showing you how to change the oil in your Lexus vehicle, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Remember that performing maintenance on your vehicle can come with its own challenges, so if you decide you need help, we're here for you. If you don't feel confident you can do the job, please leave it to the professional so you do not cause any damage to your vehicle or engine. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining your engine's health and prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle.
First, you'll need to gather all the necessary tools and supplies needed to perform your oil change. Typically, you will use a wrench or a socket wrench, shop rags, and gloves. You'll also need the correct oil filter, the amount of oil needed, and an oil catch pan. Start by making sure the engine is cool before you begin so you do not burn yourself. You'll want to either use a jack and jack stands if you're doing this at home, unless you have a lift available as we do. Place the oil collection pan under the engine to drain the oil into. Next, remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench or a cap. You want to be careful not to strip any of the parts when loosening or tightening. Make sure you have your oil catch pan underneath, as residual oil may spill. Before installing the new oil filter, apply a light coating of new oil to the rubber seal of the new filter. This helps ensure a proper seal and prevents any leaks from occurring once the engine is running. Locate the oil drain plug with the correct sized wrench or socket. Loosen it to drain the oil into the drain pan. Let all the old oil drain out completely. Once the oil has finished draining, put a new drain plug washer and tighten the plug to specs so you do not have any leaks. At this point, you can lower the car and open the hood. Using a funnel, pour new oil that is the proper type and proper amount into the engine through the filler hole. It's usually about 4 quarts. Once you're close to the total capacity, restart the car for a few seconds to build oil pressure and then recheck the oil level using the dipstick. The dipstick will have 2 marks, a low level and a high level. You want to make sure you're right at or right below the high level. Do this a few times by wiping it clean, reinserting it, and checking the level again. Adjust as necessary to meet the level recommended in the owner's manual. Replace the oil cap and start the engine. Let it run for a few minutes. This allows the new oil to circulate and enables you to check for any leaks from the drain plug or oil filter. Properly dispose of the old oil and oil filter according to local regulations. Many auto parts stores offer recycling services at no charge. Clean up any spills and store your tools. And that's it, you've successfully changed your oil. If this seems a little too daunting for you, come on down to Japanese Auto Repair, where we are here to help and treat you like family. For more car maintenance tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. Visit Japanese Auto Repair, where you're always like one of the family. Safe driving!